What is going on, my ab tribe? So I don't have my microphone, so I hope that you guys can hear me clearly. So anyway, y'all know that I am good for the early bird special, and I am on my way to the dispensary, Nature's Medicine, one of my favorite ones, one of my favorite dispensaries. So anyway, bitch, look. I had to be nosy, right? So leave it up to motherfucking YouTube. YouTube, I love you motherfuckers. Y'all get on my damn nerves. But anyway, YouTube has 4 episodes of Life After Lockup. Now, I thought it was Love After Lockup. Maybe they have 2 different shows. Maybe it's Life After Lockup and maybe it's Love After Lockup as well. But anyway, they have 4 motherfucking episodes. So there is no reason why none of you motherfuckers should not be able to watch Life After Lockup. Don't you bring your ass out here. Life After Lockup. That is a good show. And Chance, and I can't think of his girl's name. Emily, I think. But anyway, that's the couple that I was talking about in regard to she losing
in a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto North Black Canyon Highway. Signs for I-17 South, I-10.
Okay, so anyway, that's the couple that I was talking about in regard to she losing her ex-boyfriend to a tragic car accident, and he is threatened by a deceased individual, and he wants her to take the images down because it bothers him. So anyway, that couple's on there, and then there's a couple of other couples that's on that particular show. Child, y'all just need to watch the motherfucking show because it is good as motherfucking hell. I'm telling y'all, Life After Lockup is the shit. So yes. Anyway, I started smoking sweet peach, and I started smoking that a couple of days. My mouth is dry as hell, y'all. I started smoking sweet peach, and I started smoking that I would say a couple of days ago, and I'm almost done with it. I smoke too much weed. Damn. Do y'all think that's a habit? Do y'all think that I have an addiction? Would they call that an addiction when you smoke too much pot? So anyway, yes, Life After Lockup. It makes me want to write motherfucking dudes in prison again. I promise you, it really do. Because it is so juicy. It is juicier than a vagina. I don't know how juicy that gets. But Life After Lockup is the shit. Okay. So let me concentrate. I have people all up in my motherfucking face. Okay, let's get it cracking, you guys.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto North Black Canyon Highway.
I said Life After Lockup is juicier than a vajayjay.
I-17 South ramp.
All right, you guys, we are about to hit the highway to go to Nature's Medicine.
To take the I-17 South ramp.
It is time to hit up the early bird special and get some motherfucking marijuana.
Continue on I-17 South for 1.5 miles.
All right, let me show y'all some traffic. Is it my go? My go. Okay. Go, bitch. Okay, on our way. So what are you guys doing this morning? Are you guys hitting up an early bird special at your local dispensary? Child, it ain't shit to see. This truck got out the damn way. So y'all do know that once I get to the dispensary, I can't take y'all inside, right? Oh my God, if you do not go.
In a quarter mile, take exit 200B toward McDowell Road, Van Buren Street.
Hold on, y'all. Cause this car getting on my nerves. Or this truck. Now this car.
Take exit 200B, then merge onto North Black Canyon access.
What the fuck are you going to do? Hold on. This bitch.
Merge onto North Black Canyon access, then turn right onto McDowell Road.
Okay. I'm almost at the dispensary, y'all. I will show y'all what nature's medicine look like, but, you know, as I said, I can't take y'all inside.
Take the next right onto McDowell Road, then turn left onto North 25th Avenue.
I cannot get life after lockup out of my head. Oh my God. I want a prison man. Damn. These bitches be lucking up. I know that's right, ho. Get your man from prison. Okay, there's nature's medicine.
Turn left onto North 25th Avenue, then your destination will be on the left.
Okay, y'all see it? And there is hardly nobody inside, which makes it even better. Early bird, honey, early bird. I hope they have some water in here. Damn. I'm gonna park right here.
Your destination is on the left.
Maybe I could put it on pause real quick. Hold on, let me see if I can put y'all on pause while I go inside.